Okay, I want to do a quick video showing some noise I have in my brakes. It's always been like this. I don't use the brakes much, but when they're wet, see if it does it. Yeah, you hear that? It's only when they're wet or really humid or it hasn't been driven in a while and there's rust on it. But like today, you can tell it's really a mess. But listen, that doesn't sound very Tesla-like, does it? When I'm pulling up all quiet to somebody right down the road. Well, see, it's not doing it there. I think what it is, it's just a temporary condition, what I've noticed. I don't think there's anything we can do about it. But now that I've done a few stops,
turn left on Boston Drive.
It's gone away. But if anyone's noticed this, comment. Give me a comment if you've heard this in your Tesla. If there's anything you can do about it, please let me know. Thanks.